The Bybit Sharkfin is a feature on Bybit that lets you earn high yield on your stablecoin, USDT or USDC. We're talking about up to 20%, which you cannot find anywhere else. And here, your principal is protected and it is not risked. And you would make profit no matter the condition of the market. But here's the catch. The degree of profit you make depends on the condition of the market and whether you're feeling bullish or bearish. I will explain, but let's look at how to gain access to this feature first. I'll come back to explain this, but to get started with Bybit, you need to open an account. If you don't have an account with Bybit, there's a link in the description. Please use it to sign up, verify your account, and download the app. Now, let me explain what the Sharkfin is. Let's say the price range of the assets we're looking at is between $44,000 to $48,000. Estimated APR is 2 to 18%, and enhanced APR is 8%. This is how a bullish Sharkfin will look like. Within the price range, I will earn most, in this case 18%, at the 48K price mark and earn least at the 44K price mark. Any earning in between is in the ascending order. Now, if the price is below the range, I will earn the minimum APR. If it's above the range, I will earn the enhanced APR. For the bearish Sharkfin, it's the other way around. I will earn maximum at the 44K price mark, minimum at the 48K price mark. Anything in between is in the descending order. If the price is below the range, I will earn the enhanced APR. If it's above the range, I will earn the minimum APR. All this is within the subscription period. Let me show you how it's done on the app. How to get to the Sharkfin. We'll click on more here at the homepage. Then we'll click on under and you see Sharkfin. You click on it. Now, so this is a popular, this is upcoming, right? It depends if I'm feeling bullish or bearish. I think I'm feeling bullish with Bitcoin, right? So I want to click on this one, right? The first one. Then I want to click on subscribe. And this is where I enter. What I have is USDC, right? Well, mind you, if you don't have USDC in your account, what you do first is to send money to your account. Let me show you how to do that. We'll go back. Then on that here at the home page, you see assets here. Click on assets. You can see deposit here. What you do is click on deposit here, then click on USDT here. Then this is your wallet address. You send USDT to this wallet address. Now when it arrives, what will happen that it will arrive under this derivative section of your wallet. You'll now use this transfer feature to transfer the USDT you send to your derivative from derivative to your earning wallet. It's from this earning wallet that you can invest in the Sharkfin. Now, if you want to buy with Naira, then you have to watch my P2P video to know how to do that. So let's go back to the Sharkfin. Now, like I said, I feel bullish. Click on it. I'll click on subscribe. I'll change, yeah, this is already in USDC. Now I want to do with $100. Then I'll click on confirm. So I have submitted this and I am on, right? If I want to see what I've done, I can go back to my N wallet here. Under my assets, click on N, and you can see what I invested in Sharkfin here. You might want to use Sharkfin because 1, your capital is 100% protected. 2, the yield are enhanced. That is designed for investors to earn above what the general market is earning. And 3, the risk and return is optimized because you earn irrespective of the market condition. Sharkfin might be a way for you to gradually grow your portfolio, and this feature is only on Bybit for now. You should know why it is called Sharkfin by now. Yeah, now if you want to make 3 times more profit on liquidity mining. Check out this video on leverage liquidity mining on Bybit.